Moin, Namaste. This is anoop.chandranna, your financial advisor. Today we are going to talk about Bauspar Plan. Yes, Bauspar Plan is one such loan which you can acquire previously, that is 3-4 years before, and you can get a very attractive rate of interest, 0.95% to 1.75% rate of interest. Yes, to know how you can get it and what is the best way to start your savings towards your real estate and buying your dream home in Germany, watch this video. Let's start. Welcome back. So today we are going to talk about real estate, why is it important in Germany, and one of the crucial real estate saving tool which can help you to procure home loan rate of interest at a very minimal of 0.95 to 1.75%. That is Bauspar. So let's start. First of all, why real estate? Why you have to invest in real estate in Germany? The main reason, it generates a passive income. Yes, there are other sources of passive income, but this passive income, that is real estate, has huge tax benefits. That is, in case if you're doing it for your own purpose, after 3 years there is no capital gain taxes. If you're someone who's doing it for income purpose, that is, you're renting it out for commercialization, after 10 years there is no capital gain taxes. But in this 10 years, every year you can show your insurances, cost which incurred in developing or maintenance of that house in your taxes. This diversification, that is, real estate is something which you invest with an asset, so there is an assurity of the asset. One, second, also in Germany the real estate market is really growing. As you know, the housing market issue is always there in Germany, in all the cities. So definitely there are more number of houses which needs to be built in the coming days. So the demand for real estate or the houses are more. Next, if you are someone who's buying this real estate for yourself, you need not pay any more rents. As you all know, the rent paid by you is making your landlord rich, not you. So once it's paid, it's gone. It's not an investment, it is gone. It's an liability. Next, as I told you, the market is huge. The real estate market has huge potential of becoming up and giving you more rate of returns. So that's why real estate is an optimum solution or an optimum investment if you are looking for a long term in Germany. Next, about Bauspar. What is Bauspar? As you all know, for procuring a home loan, you need to have 20% down payment and the rest 80% is given as a loan from the bank to you. Some banks even provide 90% loan of the property, but for a higher rate of interest. The current market rate is somewhere between 4.5 to 5.5% per annum. But Bauspar comes with an advantage. Also, why this advantage? We'll explain everything in this video. So first thing, Bauspar is not for 20%, it is 40% minimum. That is, you have to save 40% of the capital. In short, if I take an example, if you're looking for 300,000 euros house, then usually the 20% down capital would come around somewhere 60,000 euros. But here you need to save in Bauspar 120,000 euros. That becomes huge, right? But there is a solution. You need not do it a lump sum. You have to do it over a period of 3 to 5 years. Usually more than 5 years also it's okay. Because here you would be doing it as an SIP, just like how you do the EMIs and other things. You would be doing partially EMI SIPs where you would be saving 100 or 200 or depending on your potential and what is your budget and all those things, calculations. It depends on the individual budgeting. You would be saving that 40%, and once you save that 40%, that is known as saving phase. Once you do that saving phase, the rest 60% will be loaned for you from the Bauspar loan, that is Badenia, at a very reasonable rate of interest, 0.95 to 1.75. How does it vary? It varies depending on your saving phase. If you are someone who is saving that 40% in less than 3 years, it would be somewhere around 1.75 to 2%. If you are someone who is doing a steady purpose, like more than 5 to 6 years, it would be more less than 1%. So if you're doing it for 6 to 7 years, it would be somewhere around 0.95% rate of interest. Understood? But here there are many other subsidies too. What are those? I will explain. If you are comparing this Bauspar to a regular home loan, what are the advantages you get? One, all at the end of term. That means if you are doing interest rate comparison between Bauspar and a regular home loan, in a regular home loan, if there is an interest hike in interest rate, it is hiked. If it is down, it is down. But as I told, in the market, the minimum itself is 4 to 4.5, not less than that. Maybe in another couple of years it may come down by 1%, but definitely not below 3%. But in Bauspar, the interest rate is fixed. If you fix it by today, by the time after 6 to 7 years, once you have finished that 40% of capital and you're acquiring that 60%, if the rate of interest rate of that home loan in the current market is more than 6 to 8%, it may happen 6 to 8%, even then you would be provided less than the market value. That is whatever the interest rate which you fixed, around 0.95 to 1.75, in that range you would be given the rest 60% as a home loan rate of interest. So this is the biggest advantage. You can fix your home loan rate of interest. The saving phase. Saving phase is nothing but where I told you how you have to save that 40%. What are the contributions you make? First one, the savings contribution, which you're making, which is up to 40 to 50%. Second, state subsidies. That is, Germany always encourages people to buy real estate. So even Germany will provide some subsidy for the low income holders, or depending on your family situation and the other things, there are some state subsidies which we will calculate for the individual person. So that's why I'm not bringing up here. But there is state subsidies from the Germany government which also comes into the picture. And the next, annual rate of interest. Though it is less than 1% rate of interest, but still some rate of interest is credited to your account every year along with your contributions made. Next, how is it used? As I told you, people like you, me, and everyone who is contributing to this Bauspar, that fund is used for only loaning out for the other people. That is, after 6 years, when you are taking loan, the other contributors will be still contributing. From there, you will be taken, and when you are paying the rate of interest, it goes to the community pot. So that is how the interest is divided to the people. So hence it is less than 1% rate of returns. Okay, this is something which is done on a community basis more. So this is the unique concept in Germany. If you are someone who's ready to stay in Germany for more than 15 to 20 years, planning to buy real estate, and also looking to fix your rate of interest now because you are planning to buy it in 6 to 7 years, or you're someone who can do this parallelly to your existing home loan, do it, because this will secure your rate of interest, which means you would be saving a tremendous amount in interest, because for the rest of the things it is an investment which is going to your capital, but whatever the interest you're paying, it is an additional burden which you have to bear. The lesser burden you bear, the more profit you're making. So why wait? Fix up your appointment with me today and then I will prepare a business model for you so that you can start your planning towards your real estate purchase. Or I can help you how to effectively use this plan to make sure that you meet your required rate of interest and your down capital and everything. We help complete support in the real estate, that is starting from securing your home loan rate of interest, and also Bauspar. There are a lot of other plans also which helps you to bring the best tax subsidies for you, that is register rente. I've explained it in my previous video. All these things we will do on a one-to-one basis. All the consultation is free of cost, so why wait? Start it now. All the best. For more such financial tips, follow me at Mr. FinTalk. Thank you.